Hi. Today we are going to learn about robots and types of robots. Robotics is the field of study and application of robots, which are machines designed to perform tasks autonomously or with human input. It combines elements of computer science, engineering, and technology to create robots that can be programmed to perform various tasks. Robotics involves designing, building, programming, and operating robots for different purposes, such as manufacturing, automation, healthcare, exploration, education, and entertainment. It encompasses a wide range of skills, including mechanical design, electronics, programming, and problem-solving. A robot is a machine that is capable of carrying out tasks autonomously or with human input. It can be programmed to perform specific actions, often with mechanical or electronic components, and is designed to interact with its environment to perform tasks efficiently and effectively. 1. Pre-programmed robots are machines that are designed to perform specific tasks using a preset sequence of instructions or commands. They do not have the ability to adapt or learn from their environment, and their actions are predetermined based on their programming. 2. Humanoid robots. These robots are designed to resemble humans in appearance and movements. They are often used in research, entertainment, and social interactions. Humanoid robots can perform tasks that require human-like dexterity, mobility, and communication skills. 3. An autonomous robot is a machine that can operate and make decisions independently without human intervention. It has the ability to perceive its environment, process information, and take actions based on its programming, sensors, and algorithms, without the need for constant human control or input. 4. Tele-operated robots are machines that are controlled remotely by a human operator. They are operated using a control interface, such as a joystick or a computer, and the operator's commands are transmitted to the robot in real time, allowing for remote control and operation in various environments. 5. Augmenting robots are machines that work in collaboration with humans to enhance their capabilities. They are designed to assist humans in performing tasks that require strength, precision, or speed, and can operate under